And our first crew of the day trying to back the old jet ski down, and they're struggling to get it down the ramp. So this is actually going to be attempt 3 as he tries to back it down. And let's see if this one's any better, but he's almost jackknifed the trailer all 3 times we've seen so far. And attempt 3 does not look any better as he's jackknifing it again and driving the truck over into the dock. And he's gonna have to reset it one more time and try all over again as well. So he pulls forward, and here we go. Another try, and this time going the opposite way, and the truck's not going into the dock, but the jet ski is. That one's not gonna make it down either. So our guy's getting out of the truck, and homeboy's getting off the... Oh, I tell people this one all the time. If you're the better person for this, just do it. And I think that's what we're about to see. Our guy is like, nah, I got this one, just let me do it. I wonder if it's that same old story we hear all the time. His buddy's like, oh, I got you, man, I can back this down, I've done it 100 times. Only to find out that's not quite the case. But welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, and today we are down here visiting Boynton Beach. Now, one trick to this, if you kick somebody out of the seat and take over, you better be able to do the job. And our guy looks like he's not going to have any issues getting this one back down and taken care of. And here we go, our next crew of the day coming in, the old pesky bow rails in the front of the boat, as they're going to approach our first dock all the way down on the right. So she's ready to roll, line on, she gets the easy step off, trying to push it off. Before they get close to the concrete barrier there, Cap's going to leave the helm and go for the side push off, but teamwork makes the dream work, and our crew winds up getting in fairly easily on that one and getting it set up. So it's been interesting here today as it's kind of a low tide, and we've seen lots of boats like this coming in with that trim up because it was so shallow coming through the channel. So our crew, but at this point you want to trim back down. It's deep water here. They wind up killing the motor. They're going to bounce off the dock. And our guy goes for the leap and the step off and gets handed the line as he tries to get it pulled over. And there we go, our girl steps out of the bow to give him the assist and get this one tied off. So I can't tell exactly what went down, but the other boat that just pulled in here was kind of arguing with this boat back in the channel. I'm not sure what's wrong, but there's definitely a conflict of some sort between these two.
Just a week. Have you ever driven a boat? Okay, man. You're in a tiny little boat. Just a fuck that way. What's down? Trust me, I don't need help.
I bet you do.
Yeah.
And I could go a little slower myself. Enjoy the ride. I'm not in a hurry. I'm not in a hurry. I'm not in a hurry. I need 7 contender with the transom. It's not even a Euro bracket.
It's worth 3 times the amount.
Oh, you should see my yacht that I have parked up here. Come see my yacht. Okay, it's called Constellation and it's parked right next to Peanut Island. It's 165 foot.
Good for you. Good for you. Thank God.
But I need more practice. I just need to pull everything out.
Oh, that was crazy. I forgot about that.
I'm really not sure what's going on here. It sounds like the bigger boat here might awake the guys on the smaller boat, and they're kind of complaining about it.
Yo, that was funny as fuck.
Dude, you got the yacht. Chill. You guys are funny, bro. You guys crushing it.
Crushing that. That was bullshit. Learn how to drive. You're in the fucking boat.
You got the yacht.
The
Chill.
wind. Fucking slow it down, bro.
Hey, yeah, if you want to see it, it's called Constellation. I can schedule a private viewing for you.
What do you think you're rich as God? You're richer. We already got to know it.
Go ahead. I thought your boat's fat.
Nah, we're gonna let y'all do your thing.
Why are you both
We're
fat?
gonna let you do your thing. Don't worry, y'all do your
fat.
thing. We'll come back in an hour. Don't worry. I got no time. We got nothing but time, brother. Nothing but
I
time.
get you now.
Nothing but time, brother. I hope you're on Wavy Boats over there.
I hope I am
on Wavy.
too.
I hope you captured it all. On Wavy.
I hope you did. I hope you did.
Hey, your muscle guy's kind of cute though.
Yeah, I'm really not sure what all the fighting's about. I mean, they're both at the ramp now. They're both gonna pull, so why not just pull? I don't understand the point of trying to argue over who has more money, because let's be honest, who really cares? And, well, I'm just gonna shoot everybody in the line here. People who really have money don't argue with other people about whether they have money or not, which means that neither one probably really has an abundance. But whatever, that's neither here nor there. It's just sometimes the bickering's a little bit funny to me about some of the things we hear down here at the ramp, but one of the crews turned the music up, which is probably the right call. To try and de-escalate the situation, let the music play and move on. But the good news was that never escalated any further than what it was. Both those guys eventually did get their trucks and just pull the boats out and kind of move on. As you can tell, everything's quieted down a little bit down here today, and our next crew coming in has no issues as well. That wind's been calm today. The only thing these people have been struggling with down here is the low tide. The low tide this weekend here in Boynton's been wild, as you'll see probably in our next video, because tomorrow it's supposed to be even worse. And everybody's been struggling to come in the channel, but this crew gets it buttoned up and they are good to go. And speaking of good to go, we're gonna go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, crew. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, does some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.